Morning, everybody. It's January 26, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramoochie's. And this is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has jumped to 23 from yesterday's 12, a one-day doubling of FOMO. Interesting. Bitcoin dominance is at 42.1%. 24-hour volume is at 86 billion. The overall market cap is 1.64 trillion. Give or take 100 million. B minor seventh over G. Classic FOMC chord. Well, today is the day the psychopathic elite bestow their plan on what to do to fix the problem they created. And like sitting ducks, we wait to see how the quant robot traders will react to the rhetoric. Three options are: the stock market collapses, stock market goes up to new all-time highs, or the price has already been baked in. So we sit and wait. There are some technicals, but I feel like in the midst of this macro event today, they're all kind of meaningless. But let's take a look. Some negative divergence taking place on the 4-hour chart. We see that sneaky little so-and-so, the hidden bearish divergence, price action making lower lows while the MACD sticks a double top. This insinuates some underlying weakness in the movement and has a high probability of continuing its downward trend. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of hidden bearish divergence because it doesn't carry the possibility of a reversal so much as just a continuation. And being the 4-hour chart, which is a noisy little so-and-so, I put it in the who cares junk drawer beside my old house keys, unused chili recipes, and an old iPhone graveyard. Now over on the daily, we have some slight bearish divergence as well. As we see price action climbing and the MACD falling. Now this can be quickly invalidated if the blue line can pull off a cross, which, hey, she kind of looks like she's trying. Kind of. I'd like to see a little more volume in the market to push the price and the MACD up. And I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of volume today. Optimistically speaking, we've seen 4 green candles in a row, which we haven't seen since late October, which feels kind of weird. But a green candle is a green candle, and there's 4 of them in a row. But the day, my friends, is young. One of the most interesting psychological aspects of the crypto market is our sense of value compared to price. When an asset is mooning, we all think and feel, well, we better buy it before it gets too expensive. And if it does get too expensive, well, I might buy it anyways. Conversely, as the price of an asset goes down, we all start thinking, well, we shouldn't buy it now because it's losing its value. But this is the same asset we were contemplating buying at all-time highs. Now, if I was in the market for a car and its intrinsic value was about $10K, but Johnny's Used Car Emporium was selling it at $14K, and Eddie's Wheels of Steel was selling it for $6K, I'd buy it from Eddie for $6K, and I'd rejoice in the $4K savings that Eddie just gave me. Now, it wasn't too long ago that I thought I missed the boat on Solana at $1. So when it fell down to $1.40 from its all-time high of $2.60, I jumped on the sale. And I was quite happy to add a little more Solana to my little fanny pack. And then it dropped to 80 cents. And I initially thought, well, I shouldn't buy it now. And then I shook my head and I realized it's less than it was when I thought I missed the boat, and it's 60 cents less than the last time I bought it. So I bought some more. It still could go down, and I'll probably keep DCAing in. The takeaway here is don't get sidelined with market value versus intrinsic value. There's deals out there like we haven't seen in a long time. And if you still have powder on the side, let me know what you think is a steal of a price down in the comment sections. And I'll see you at Eddie's Wheels of Steel. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Thanks for singing me out yesterday.